bro, making a tutorial again. So guys, we are inside our sample project. Here we have a video and a audio clip. Now to generate auto caption, make sure none of the layers are selected. Go to text, auto caption, generate from. Suppose we like to generate caption only from the video, so disable the voiceover. CapCut counts any audio file as voiceover. Now the language, English, then the templates. Some templates may not work. In that case, try different one. Finally, press on generate for the captions. Let's see what we have. What the bro? Making a tutorial again. Now to edit the caption further, go to edit captions and change what you need. Finally, to customize, go to style. Here we have all the templates in case you change your mind. Then go to fonts. Let's go with this one. Styles, text color, and the background. And we are done. What the bro? Making a tutorial again? So thank you guys for watching. Have a good day.